Here is the mid-size Cricut EasyPress 2. The size of this is a 9 by 9, and then the corresponding heat mat is 12 by 12. So this is the mid-size. It is great for like your t-shirts and things that you are using with your heat transfer vinyl. So for this project, I have a long sleeve shirt that I'm going to use. Oh, it's behind me. And the vinyl that I'm going to use says, "I'm so freaking cold," because I am always so freaking cold. So the first thing I need to do is check the tag and see what the fabric is made of. Rayon and polyester and spandex. So I'm going to go to the quick guide here, and it's kind of a mixture. There's polyester, cotton poly blend. I think I'm going to stick with the polyester. So we are going to heat our Cricut EasyPress 2 to 315. Heat it to 315. And then our time is 30 seconds with gentle pressure. So when that is ready to go, it is going to beep at us. I'm going to set it over here to the side just a little bit so I can get my shirt ready. Got my vinyl there. So I'm going to lay out my shirt. This is kind of like a shirt hoodie. It's long sleeve. It's a little bit thicker than just t-shirt material, but it's not as thick as hoodie material. So it's kind of an in-between. My favorite thing about this shirt is it has the thumb holes. I love thumb holes. If you don't have a shirt with thumb holes, you need one because they're awesome. Okay, I'm going to make sure that that mat is underneath. And again, I am just going to eyeball. I am an eyeballer when it comes to placing my vinyl where I want it. Okay, I want it right across the chest area of my hoodie. And I'm just going to eyeball. Okay, let's over that just a little bit too much. Okay. All right. So I can feel that it's on my mat, my Cricut heat mat underneath. I'm going to scoot that over just a little bit. Okay. All right. So that is where I want it. So the first thing I need to do is preheat my material. So I'm going to carefully peel that off, and I'm even going to bring it down just so I can kind of keep it right where I want to keep it. Okay, so I'm going to preheat my material here, my fabric, for 5 seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm not at 315 yet. I forgot to wait for it to beep. Okay, we're close. Okay, so I preheated my material. I bet you it'll beep while I'm replacing this. It will be fine. And there it goes. There's the beep. I'm so freaking cold. I hate being cold. And I am always cold. Always cold. Okay, so that is where I'm going to put it. So now we're going to add this. And you can see it doesn't quite cover the whole area. So we're just going to do it twice. Okay. So we're going to do 30 seconds here, and then we're going to scoot it over a smidge, and we will do 30 seconds again. Not a big deal. And we have our little countdown timer telling us exactly where we are. The EasyPress is so easy to use, guys. And even though this is the mid-size one, it is still really very light. Very easy to move around. Much easier to store than the larger one. And they even come with these little canvas bags that you can put them in for storage, which is really nice because they don't take up as much room. just applying light pressure just with my wrist and my arm. Nothing too hard, really quite light. I'm so freaking freezing. Okay, so we did that. Now I'm going to refer to my notes again because I think it said to do it on the back side again. Yep, flip material and do it for 15 seconds. Okay, so we're going to turn it over. And we're going to do 15 seconds. Start that timer, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And since we're set to 30 seconds, I can just move it over as soon as this timer here gets to 15. And again, we want to do a warm peel. So we don't want to let that iron-on vinyl cool completely before we peel it. In some circumstances we do, but not with this fabric type and vinyl type. So we're going to cool it just a little bit just so you can actually touch that backing sheet. Isn't that so cute? I'm so excited to wear this. I'm so freaking cold. This is my anthem right alongside I Don't Wanna. And look at how nicely it peels off. That is amazing. With an iron, sometimes you'll have to go over it and over it and over it and over again. Over it again and again to make sure all these little edges get down. But that is perfect. And I know that this will go through the wash just fine. Now, one tip when you are washing shirts that have heat transfer vinyl, it is helpful to turn the article of clothing inside out first, just to really help that vinyl stay on. But it really does stay so much better with the EasyPress 2, applying it with the EasyPress 2, than with just a simple iron.